Let me check my camera. Mm, okay, valid. Market's about to open. Let's see if we could tap. We almost there. Looking at it from the hourly, so we could be bearish, but there's bullish momentum that we opened up, and we have new weekly opening gaps. Two-day open is down here though, so I would like to look for shorts. This 15-minute is turning bullish. Look at this. Damn. You trying to sweep out a high or some shit? That's some. Hold on. Let me take this one off. So market structure shift S&P. Wait. Okay, hold on. Yo,
Yeah. Yo,
what's goody?
what's good, bro?
I say keeping it calm. I want to see downside. I at least want to see
Yeah.
price. I want to see price fill in this unfilled 5 minute. We also have an hourly. The hourly is my point of interest. We got London lows and true day open.
Oh shit. Yeah. Nah, there's a big ass gap.
Yeah. So and then that new week opening got pretty big as well.
Yeah. Looks like this 5 minutes about to get inversed.
Alright, we're gonna go lower. That was a good.
Yeah.
I feel like that 7-9 top was a good setup, but to me at least, it didn't seem to a plus.
hmm
Because now market is about to open. If market opens and we dump, then I guess that's on to me. I would have taken it like here. Like 200.
Yeah. Screen.
Oh no, I'm about to share my screen. Don't trip. Sheesh, it don't gotta be perfect. Damn. I'm only trying to realistically catch like 100. I feel like 100 ticks would be good enough. Uh,
Yeah, it's starting to dump right now.
Market's about to open in 1 minute.
I might actually trade into market open.
I'm waiting. I need to see a solid setup because ES and NQ aren't correlating right now.
Oh yeah. Oh, because that's why I was on like the 15 minute with this. I was looking at the wrong shit.
At least I can forward test the setup. I'm about to say. We have this low down here. Yeah, look, price is just gonna start going.
Right. Here, I'm gonna take it. Put a sell one
Hmm.
to here.
We didn't take out any London high or London lows, so that's why I also think, oh,
Oh.
mm, 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 mm,
Oh, I'm tight.
That's funny to me because like literally when you look at it, like price like if prices had got pushed down any lower, it would have hit my 100 tick TP.
Hmm.
I think that was only like what, like probably like 15 points a damn hit, 15, 16 points. 16 points. I was about like 16 points away from market open. From that last downward, yeah, it was about like 10 points, like 10 ticks away. Oh my gosh. So 10 ticks would be like what? 2.5 points, two and a half. Sheesh. Okay, so let me mark this out.
Oh, why don't shit keep going to gold right
Bro, I want to trade gold, but at the same time, I'm just not in the mood to have high volatility be the issue behind me being pissed this morning.
here? What? You
Hmm?
I said, what happened?
Nah, I'm about to say I got my eval, but I'm not trying to sit here and risk anything for it.
Mm, I
Like
should.
that down move looked so good, but the only thing that was getting me was that we were in a 15 minute.
Yeah.
We and then we didn't really do nothing. We tapped this 15-minute PD array and we got out of it. So I would have used. I guess I could have used this wick right here, and look,
Mm,
15-minute CE price comes down, taps into it.
yeah.
I guess there's a 5-minute instant rejection.
And what is nah PSPs is oh they just put me in a fucking trade. PSP, what is that? Can you explain that a little bit?
I won't even lie to you. Keep it a stack. I do not know what that is.
I
If
get you.
if I knew it like how Rain did, I would have told you.
Yeah, you
But
good.
I'm about to say the setup I'll be looking for now is like I'll look for a breakout of a range, forming a SMT, maybe even like tap into a 15-minute fair value gap, and then so like let's say for instance we break out a range, we have the 15-minute SMT right under it. We form no 15-minute fair value gap, then we form an SMT,
Hmm.
and then we inverse our 5 minute. Say we inverse that 5 minute, or even if we have like a strong rejection out of it, and literally out of that strong rejection, we create this like breakout or like this big move where we have to rebalance price. I'll look for price to
Yeah.
rebalance into like the 7-9, and then that's when I'll take it. I've been like,
Oh.
yeah, because I've been just trying to trade
Mm.
with like a constant system and like the same setup every time.
Yo, that don't make no sense though. But it's like it worked in my favor.
Mm, I
Like
feel.
I put like a limit buy at like this
Mm,
certain spot, but it put it up a lot higher than what I wanted to do. But I'm actually in profit now for it.
for that trade, what is the downside?
Yeah. But I might actually just get out of this real quick so I can just actually put it to the spot where I want to.
I mean, if you're still in profit and it's to the downside, just wait, see. I
Yeah.
guess if you're in for more, like, cause on a 3 minute we're moving bearish, the 1 minute we're moving damn, 1 minute we're moving bearish.
Damn.
Yeah, that 15-minute CE tap was pretty good though. I won't lie, I didn't see that.
I'm gonna trail my stop loss. So now I have. Oh, it's not letting me. Not letting me trail.
Hold on.
There we go. Oh, damn. Smack TP.
Yo, 15 minute. I would have got taken out, so I'm glad I didn't get in.
I gotta really like I'm like starting this little journey to like really be disciplined. So like I'm really only taking like 1 to 2 trades today, like, and that's it. Like that's a max I can go.
We're in the same type of boat because that's how I am right
Yeah,
now.
bro. I'm like, cause I really want to, bro. I really want to be successful at this shit right here. Like this is the one thing that I want to do. So I gotta learn how to be fucking disciplined at this shit right here.
That's a fact.
I'm just glad I got that. All right. Yeah, I'm not taking another trade unless that shit is a perfect setup. That shit got to be the perfect, most, the best.
It
This shit got to be, nigga. This shit got to be obvious.
has to like the trade literally has to tell you like, yo, bro, this is solid. That's what
Yeah,
that quick downside to these lows has showed me, and I was like, damn, like I really want to take this trade.
yeah.
I'm
I'm
like,
about to, I'm about to go to Walmart today and buy my desk because I'm getting my PC soon.
that's fire.
So, yeah. When you bought your desk, did you know what type of PC you wanted before?
Oh, I don't got those big time PCs. Let me let you know that now. I got like a tiny PC.
Because my man's makes PCs and he was like, yeah, I could he told me to like buy the parts instead of actually buying the whole PC because
It's
it's a lot cheaper to
it's
buy the
way
parts.
cheaper to buy parts because like one
Yeah.
part might cost you $50, the next part might cost a little cheaper, the next part might
Yeah.
cost you like one something, and then this and that, and then like say you buy the cage might cost you like what $200-300, but
Yeah.
you buying all the stuff all together, you'll probably be around like $800 versus you spend like 2-3 grand for a PC, and you're like, yo, what the we got a lot of volatility in this in the market right now. Oh shoot.
Like, so like, usually what I think at this point is so I put out if you're looking at that level on the 1 minute from at 25,826.25, I put like a line there, right? Because that's where
Wait, at
price
what
reject
point?
25,826.
826.
Yeah. So like price rejected off of that line so many times. So like I put like a line there. So like without taking that trade today, I would have probably put my stop limit. I mean, I would probably put my limit order right there because price rejected off of that line so many times. And since that it came down and now it's
Mm-hmm.
paired with a fair value gap right here, it just makes sense that that would happen. Like that's how I think when it comes to like the trading thing, and sometimes it just don't work out. Like shit like this will happen.
Yeah, I feel you. I'm about to do this limit order real quick. Only gonna risk $100. I really
Mm.
like this. Damn.
Hey, that shit was a spike, my nigga.
So did it enter me in or am I tripping? Wow.
Nah, I think it entered you and stops you out.
It literally in one.
Nah, that's crazy work.
That's yo. That's so like, bro. It literally. Oh my gosh, bro. Mm. I mean, that's what I get though. So I can't be mad at it. Cause I wanted it to enter me in and then instantly reject and take out these. Like I wanted the next candle to take out these lows. So I got this set up,
Hmm.
and so I got only one more. I only got like one more trade in me.
Yeah.
I want to see the same trade again.
Yeah, if I trade again, I'm only risking 100 off of it. I'm gonna go low
Oh,
risk with this one.
I'm gonna wait till like 9:50. So
Yeah.
between those times, I'm just gonna use.
But you know what I've been doing that feels pretty good right now?
Hmm.
And so like I have like things that I gotta do for certain days. So I have like a 30-minute dead period every day where I like turn off every electronic thing that I have and I just like I either go outside or I just stay in my room and I just sit there in silence.
Straight silence?
Bro, straight silence, bro. Like it like I learned it from this guy that trades and he was like, bro, it just calms your mind and like lets go of everything that you've been doing today. Like cuz being on electronics and all that stuff like music and stuff just always like it's always in your mind so it like boggles your mind, bro. So like once you shut all that shit down for like just 30 minutes, it could be 30 minutes, it could be an hour. I do for 30 minutes because it's like it's a lot easier for me to do that, but it like slows everything down in my day.
I feel you. Yo, you see how we tapped that line and then we're like rejecting it now? That's what I was looking for. But
Um
sheesh.
yeah.
I feel like that was like this was like a type of trade. Like I can't get mad at it, but I can't like
Mhm.
I can't get really too mad at myself about it because at the same time, this was like when you look at it, it's a Monday. We didn't really have too much news. I shouldn't like yeah. So I don't know
Yeah.
what the fuck this is. I was trying to take a quick little scalp. Time frame. What time frame is this? 5 minute session. Direction. Sell. Session. New York. Status. Close by stop loss. Risk. I'd say what I used only $100. Percentage. 0.1. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'll fix it later. What was my RR for that trade? I wanted to see the CE get tapped.
Mm.
CE tap.
Okay.
See, I was only looking for like what I think it was 100 or 200 ticks. So my RR was
Mm.
like a five.
And is that the your green block? Is that an order block that you
This
just
one down
uh
here.
not the one up more up the orange one.
This one.
Yeah.
Nah, it's a fair
Yeah.
value gap.
Oh shit. Yeah, I didn't even see the one that's next there.
110.76. And I could deal with this because like these losses, it's like man, it's only a 5 point stop. Like okay, bear with me though. If I had like a 10 point stop, that's
Mhm.
40 ticks.
Hmm. That's not bad. That's actually good.
I feel like 10 point stop, 40 ticks seems like
Yeah.
I was trying it out, but it's like 10 point stop, 40 ticks. That's only $200. Okay,
But
put
even then, bro, it's not even like the money thing, bro. Like you could get it and like figure it out on the way there.
yeah. I'm just trying to see like what stop like what amount of like what type of stop
Like
loss
which
can
one
I
you comfortable?
have? Yeah, you know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Like what is a good one to have for me to say like it's
Feel
not
comfortable with both sides.
yeah. And I'm just trying to I don't want to use 50 cuz that's basically like giving me less chances to trade.
Hmm.
So I feel like for 100 ticks, nah, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so if I want to go 200 ticks, I should only go. If I want to go higher take profit, I should use less. That's just me personally. Say I go in for like two contracts, 5 point stop, zero. Oh, okay, word. They just told me I'm taking 0.02, and I'm gonna have to start looking at that. I'm not gonna lie. I think I was more neutral for this trade, but uh,
Mm.
0.02.
Stop.
22, yeah. So now I just gotta know that moving forward, I gotta look at this because every time I was entering a trade into my thing,
Mhm.
I was always putting in the wrong number of risk. So like
Uh,
any person who like looks at it, they're probably like, yo, like you're risking this much, bro, and you lost only that much. That's probably good risk management. Like no.
mhm.
Um, I'm gonna say execution error. Nah, we keep getting bought up crazy.
Yeah, bro. But I think if it's like this today, it'll probably dump in tomorrow, or
Hmm.
probably even later on tonight. Not even like probably around like 11, 12. You could probably see it because I don't think it's gonna go higher than what this spike was. If anything, it'll probably tap into like this into like this kind of no, I already did already though. So, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna go higher than this because it still is creating lower highs.
Like you can literally see it. Like
Yeah,
price.
and
Like
it's actually a trend line. I think you can make a trend line from it.
the thing that gets me is it's like if you literally look any closer, it only stopped me out by point 0.50 ticks. No, point 0.50 points. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's fuck.
So it's like if I had gotten in that and then it would have
Mhm.
started going lower. It is. I feel like it is what it is though.
Yeah, it's about the game. It's the name of the game.
Facts. We have medium news today.
Mm.
Narrative, I guess, was bullish, bias, bearish.
Tomorrow we got CPI, but that's at 8 a.m. or 8:30.
20. But I'm like, I think I want to start using points now.
Mhm.
I was using ticks. I don't care really ticks points. It is what it is. Because I can say I'm using this many points and then I can calculate it quick as hell when it comes to ticks. Because for ticks, it's
Yeah.
easier for me. It's like, oh, I'm going in with a 50 tick stop loss. Okay, are you going in one contract, two contracts? I'm going in one contract, so you're only risking 250. Say no more.
Hmm.
It's easy for me to like calculate the risk faster like that. I mean, work. All right. So I wanted to hide. I wanted to
Did you get
hide
that trade log from Craig?
me.
Yeah.
No,
I seen the thing on his on like a YouTube video. I was trying to figure out how to get that shit.
a trade. No, hold on. I'm gonna see. I'll see right now. Let me see. 'Cause I know I took. If I keep it a stack with you, the
Mhm.
trade log that you see in, because I know you can see my actual screen, right? Yeah. So
Yeah.
this trade log here, and like everything that you see, like I
Mhm.
started off with my trade log like completely different. Like you see how like it's small here and it looks like regular.
Yeah.
Make it a big screen, it doesn't look too right. It's just because when I designed it so that like it was just like this quick window. So like I'll click
Oh,
out of
okay.
it, and then I'll come out, and it's like just something
Yeah,
small.
I
Ooh,
got you.
no more smoking. I did a 2 week fast. I'll be doing two. I did it already. Yes.
Yeah, bro. It's respecting this trend line right there, right here. It broke through, but it's still like rejected off of it.
Mhm. I mean, I'm not tripping no more. I'm still gonna wait till 10. I got to, and then I'm gonna get off at like I'm gonna get if I don't see it by like 10:15, 10:30. If I don't see something by like 10:30, I'm not gonna take it. I'm just gonna get off, deal with what I can because I usually would be one and done,
Hmm.
but I know that trade that I just took was not the best trade. So
Yeah, give yourself another opportunity.
dang, where can I? Okay, so I was also gonna see if you wanted if you wanted the database yourself because I gave one to Rain. Let me see. This one's Rain.
Yeah.
I shared it with him. I feel like this is invasion of privacy, but this is Rain's.
Yeah,
So
that's tough. I definitely would.
I modify mine's like probably like every so often because I'm trying to
Hmm.
get mine to be like almost AI generated. Like I'm trying to
Yeah.
learn how I can connect like let's say for instance I have like Trade Syncer or something.
Hmm.
I want it to be like if I take a trade, it'll instantly take all the data that I took from the trade and send it straight into the Notion. So it's like it's immediately right here. Don't get me wrong, I like to input. I don't mind preferring to put put it in myself because it sets that like repercussion that I know what I'm doing. Like
But it's just a lot easier to get it going. Dumb. But
Yeah.
it's just a lot easier to just focus on the trading part of it.
Yeah. Instead of me having to sit. Oh, okay. So what was like what was all this wicks for, bro? If you were gonna go down eventually, that's what I'm
I want to
saying.
see.
Like,
I want to see if
if
it breaks past this low right here, though. If it doesn't break past this low, which is
we have
probably I could
stacked
probably.
five, we have like stacked 5 minutes on top of each other. But
Yeah.
oh my gosh, we took out London High. How does ES look? ES looks
Yo, ES
barcode.
looking so
Okay,
weird
so wait,
sometimes.
ES looks barcode as hell. So I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm
that
not.
shit look weird.
I really gotta see ES like show me something because all these wicks is like making me not want to take a trade.
Yep, there you go. So all right, now I can see it going. Now I can start seeing the move, doing this move down. Possibly comes back up and taps this,
It
or
depends what's
taps
the
this.
close look like. How much time we
Yeah.
got? We got three
Oh,
minutes left. So
damn. Rejection. You understand me?
yo, said real bad man.
Real bad. He said 22. He said 22, baby mama. Real bad man.
He said 22 trillion, 22 baby mother.
22, baby mother.
Real bad man.
Mm. Delete that. Oh, S&T? Yeah. As of right now, though. ES is going up. I mean, ES is going up. Wow. Oh, never mind. Now he's starting to switch back. But they didn't take out this high. ES took out the highs. I'm just sit here and watch what the fuck it do.
Okay, if you want, we could work it out right now, and I can help us like not sit on these charts and fuck ourselves over. So if you do you want me to send this to you?
Yeah, you can send me that to me.
Yeah, I'm gonna show. I can show you a little bit of how you use it. Let me see.
Mm.
You gonna get the updated version now because I normally like what I do is I have okay. Let me see. Oh man, did I? Yeah, I did. Shit. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this and I'm gonna copy this duplicate. It's gonna take a while, so that's why
Yeah,
I was
you good.
asking. And I'm like, for the meantime, so I'm gonna run you through it. I'm about to say I'm not gonna lie. I'll let my bro, look at price. I'm not
Yeah,
trading.
bro. I've been watching this shit the whole time.
I'm
This
about to
shit is
say
also bullshit.
I'm
But it's a
done.
S&T. It's a 5 minute S&T right now though, because Nasdaq didn't take out the high, but ES did.
This London high, this London high was taken out. And we got an SMT right here. This high,
Mm.
this high, this high, and then this high, with that high.
Yeah.
That's why I'm a little confused on why we are rebalancing this far back though. All right, cool. So now let's say we draw a standard deviation for this line. Oh, okay, hold on. But look, this is what I'm saying. I can
No.
see. Okay, I can see that. But now look how big this wick is.
Yeah.
It just looks like we're trying to rebalance out what price was doing during the market open. Like market open, we instantly like once market open, we shot up crazy. We didn't even really do much. We shot down just a little bit, and then we started shooting up, shoot up, and then we went up, down. Like, bro, this is. What does the 15 show? Okay, we're not gonna inverse this 15-minute for value gap right here. It's bullish, but that's why I say once if we could break. Okay, so now here's what I have. Right, new bias I got. If we don't break below that 15, because this 15-minute right here is invalid. So this 15-minute fair value gap right now, we already took out London highs. We didn't take it out on ES.
Yeah.
This 15-minute fair value gap is invalid. Let me see. Key opening levels. Okay. We got an hourly sitting down here. ES I tapped into hourly. NQ didn't. So really, I want to see us like, because we swept out these lows,
Mm.
swept out these highs. So now we got a new range that we're trying to look for. We swept out these highs. 15-minute CE right here. That's if I don't want to. I don't want to keep using too many CEs because that may not be even what it is. But we tapped into that exact. Look, we tapped that line right there. 15-minute. It could be some good forward testing. I don't think like the setups don't look clean to me right now.
Mm.
So if I go 100, 100 ticks. No, no. I can go 200 ticks. 200 ticks with a 200 ticks. Take it down to this low. Well,
Mm.
I'm gonna watch because I feel like I already took my one trade. Oh, it's about to
Yeah.
be 10 in the morning. I already did 50 push-ups so far. I gotta bust out another 50 ball.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to gym after this.
Ah,
Ush. I think it's chest day. Yeah. Ush.
bro,
Ush.
you
Yo,
got
nigga, my
the
last leg day had my shit shaking, nigga. Like I look like
oh.
a bitch.
Hey yo,
Yeah, I look like a bitch, bro. I was mad as hell in there. I be trying to act hella mysterious in the gym.
I be trying to like for me. Oh, stop loss hit. Okay, that's cool. I want to start. I want to start. Like I don't want to. I'm not even also. I'm also not even trying to be that guy who bottom and top ticks. I'm not trying to be that person.
Mhm. Mhm.
I hate like because when like for me people will be like, oh, if you top tick, you bottom tick, like you trade like this person. Like, bro, damn, you are meat riding so bad. Like for me, that's why I'll be quick to say like it is what it is. Like, bro, if the trade, because like my point of interest was really this hourly. Like I really wanted to see price take out like we took out London highs. Okay, cool. Now that we took out London highs, we were supposed to come up, take out the highs, like not with wicks but candles. Give me a
Mhm.
5 minute inversion, changing the state, so then we can go lower.
Mhm.
And now like even if we had that change in the state, pull back, and then so, like once we break below these lows, we'd inverse this
Mhm.
15-minute, go lower, and then my TP1 would have been this swing low.
Yeah.
TP2 would have been London low, and then like, but
Mm.
realistically, I'd only like I'm only going in for one contract. Like, I didn't do it
Yeah.
last week, and it was I saw how much it was beating me up, so I was like, you know what, bro, we're gonna take the trade easy.
Yeah. I got you.
But I did say I got an alert set if it's still there. Yeah, I got an alert set at 26,000.
Mm. Oh shit!
Um,
Where the fuck did I just?
if Nasdaq 100 gets to 26,000.
Damn.
So
Where my
boom.
shit at? Wait, hold. Oh, I bet. Mm.
I wouldn't even lie. I was about to tell myself like this week I'm gonna just stay like, cause I want to try and get conviction better for myself. So I was on some like I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to take trades. Like I'm gonna hold on. Let me elaborate. My dumb man. Okay.
Hey, bro.
I like how we're getting here. But I was gonna say like I was gonna just start trading like Dolo for this week just to see how my trades play out.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I used to trade Dolo in the start, like before I met you. I used to trade Dolo, and then Rain started like telling me to hop on with y'all because it was at a point where it's like I was just starting off, so I didn't know really what I was doing.
Mhm.
So like I hopped on with y'all. Like when I first joined y'all, I was that was like the start of my like real journey of trading.
Oh,
So now I just
you're probably
listening,
like so that
just
means you're about like a month and a half, 2 months in.
yeah, bro, really.
Nah, that's fire.
'Cause I started it like I'm not to say like I started trading right after school, but like I started like looking at it, like doing like research on it and stuff like that for like that whole month and a half ish. So when I joined y'all, that's when I really started getting on the charts.
Nah, that's good though.
Mm, damn, it's still in the range though for ES.
Mhm. We officially broke out of it, so now that's why like the highest time frame inversion, which would be as of right now, the highest time frame inversion would have to be the 5 minute.
Yeah. Mm-mm. Damn. Yo, that's weird though. Because ES is barely moving like up. It's just going. It'll go up but go sideways compared to the Nasdaq. Like Nasdaq is really moving. It's like taking out highs.
No, that's a fact. All right, we took out London High. Okay, if ES, I feel like if ES takes out this buy side right here, like, bro,
Hmm.
I really and truly this whole week I want like, there's no way that we were sitting
Nah, we
at
gonna go down.
like, bro, we were sitting at 25,000, and now we jumped on that much. Like, bro, there's no
Mhm.
way price is not gonna want to at least rebalance.
Are we back at all time highs?
We made new all-time highs, bro.
Yeah.
But that's another reason why like I didn't think I was gonna really take a trade because I was like, we're at all-time highs, and that's it. Like, I already would have messed up what I got going on because I'm at all-time highs right now.
Have you ever traded Asia session?
Once or twice. Did I like it? I don't know.
Do you like it?
No.
Mm.
All right.
No, like
So
what was good about it?
it was just trash to me.
Uh,
Okay,
what the fuck is this?
I'm about to let me see weekly bias planner. I really need to build like I'm gonna build that button. So like when I do when I send it out, I could just okay, there's that. you wanna.
That's good. Yeah,
You know what? What? I'm about to play that shit. Where's my once I'm done. Once I'm done. Once I'm done.
standing here.
Yeah. If you
Do I
want.
look good, my dear?
Why? I'm
Do
about
I
to
look good today?
today.
That's that
Yeah.
shit, bro. That's that shit, boy.
Hey
Niggas
yo.
be hype.
What's so funny is, bro, I really wish growing up, like I was on that type of shit. Like I would be listening to that, bro. That shit sounds
Nah,
like
nigga, I used to be watching iCarly and Victorious all the time, nigga.
I
Zoe
think
101 used to be a part of
yeah,
it.
bro. Man, I would never have my taste of women if it wasn't for Zoe 101. I'll
Nah,
say.
facts, bro. Facts, bro.
I'm
I
about to.
can, bro.
What's so funny though is my lady now, like, obviously, I mean, I love my lady all the way through the thick and through the thin. I love that woman, bro. You don't even know. But oh shit, bro. You can see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
I'm about to say, bro, I have to delete all of this. Like this is
Mm.
nuts.
Daily habit tracker.
Yeah, so basically what this is, it's literally in its name.
Mm.
It's literally in its name. Like there's shit goes on for months. So we'll go back. Weekly planner. I'm gonna do all this. I'll do this for you. So I'm gonna take that one off. I'm gonna take this one off. I'm gonna take this one off. There's another one that I was using.
What you gonna do with that gun? Beach everything. What kind of drugs you trying to run?
Bitch,
Me,
everything.
everything on you, folk.
Who's
Lie
that?
about
Herb?
everything.
That's Herb, right?
That's her.
Herb is tough, bro.
Yeah, that nigga is tough, bro. Like, especially, in 2017, 2018, bro, he had that run. I think everybody that was a rapper had a run in that time. Like, if you wasn't having a run at that time, bro,
You ass.
bro, music not dead ass, bro, because music was just everything was just sounding good, bro. Everything was perfect.
Ooh, do I look good
I really-
today? I gotta play. Like, yo, when I'm telling you I gotta play that, bro, I have to play that. I have
What's wrong?
that song like that.
Oh,
That
oh. Maria Breezy.
yo, I feel
Mm-mm.
like one day, ah man, one day if I can, I wanna try and see if I could get damn, I deleted all the trades that I
Yo,
had.
chick, you close to me. She ain't going home with supposed to be.
Wait, okay, so who do you have an account with right now?
We mean account with like
Top firm
for
trading.
damn trading view. Like I have
Oh,
trading view like then I get the account for Top Step.
you got trading view and then you got a Top Step account.
Yeah.
So I just kept those two in there for you. I was only asking
Uh,
because I was doing the thing. I was doing the thing for you, so I
yeah,
was
yeah.
trying to see
Sure, appreciate it.
what symbols do you trade? You trade Nasdaq and ES like us.
Yeah.
Models. I guess you could. Forever model. I know you don't use. You don't use quarterly theory.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna make that your first model. The fib, inverse fair value gap, CE trades. I'm pretty sure that's good. Cause I'm about to say if you take a trade with the fib, you can put that. If you
Mhm.
if you take a trade off of the inversion of a fair value gap, take that CE. Let's see, monthly report time frames. Got all those confluences. CE, BPR, high lows. All those extra shit. Okay, hold on. What time is it? 10? Perfect. So that
Yeah.
means we made our fair value gap. Hold on.
Get money, all money's close to me. Yeah, I made $480 off of FanDuel yesterday. Straight work.
I just I'm happy for you, man. I'm happy for you, man. Yeah, I feel like I said that to somebody. I was like, they're like, yo, bro, I made this and this and this. Like, I'm not you, but obviously not you, but
Yeah.
I was talking to somebody and they were saying it to me, and I was like, I'm happy for you, man. And they're like, bro, you don't even sound an ounce excited. I'm about to say, nigga, cause I didn't win. What the fuck? Why am I gonna be happy? I'm gonna say I'm happy for you. What the fuck you mean? You want me to be like,
Yeah,
yay?
but
Like, get the
it
heck
was the
out of
funny
here.
it was the funny way that I won, bro. Like it was like I had Carl Anthony Towns for 15 points. This nigga had 7 in the first quarter. Didn't score for the rest of the game, right?
Hmm.
Then it came down to like the Knicks were losing by like 25 or something like that. They subbed they starters out and everything. I'm mad, so I think my shit hit. I mean, I think my shit lost. The second squad start coming back, bro. They start going crazy. They put Carl Anthony Towns back in the game in the last 2 minutes of the game. Bro went stupid. Ended up getting 15 exactly. I turned the
I
game
don't
off and
even
everything. I checked back.
I don't even want to be playing like that, bro. That should be getting on my nerves. All right, what's your email?
Zachariah H Zach, my fault.
Oh, hold on. I'm about to mute so nobody gets your email. All right, I'm listening. Hmm. What the hell? ZAZachariah. Together? All right, check your email right now. Whew. Oh, I'm on supposed to me. Mm, mm. I'm supposed to be. Ooh, I'm about to take myself off of range right now. I'm on supposed to me. Cause what I be doing, and I don't mind doing it, but at the same time, I don't. It be making me feel crazy. Like I'm about to just take myself off. When it said, "Are you sure you want to remove your own access?" Yes. I'm about to say it's not my database. And the only reason why I was keeping the me on people on like other people's databases is because it's like if you need me to fix something, I can go into it on my own and fix it
Yeah.
instead of me saying like, "Oh, this is how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it." It's like, bro, just like I'm about to fix it for you. So, do you use Notion as well?
Nah, not really.
Oh, you gonna have to get used to that, my boy.
That's
Yep.
why that's what I'm saying. I gotta figure out how to.
She never got high like this with a guy like this. And what?
Hold up. Better believe she gonna read with a real
Little
nigga
nigga,
down like a
murder
dude.
she wrote.
She
Nah, bro, I'm
ain't
going
worry
throwbacks right
about
now.
you.
I'm
Oh,
getting
I
mad
bet.
throwback ideas. If you can
Murder
know it all,
road. Yeah, yeah. When I hit it, I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna kill it like.
murder she wrote. Yo,
Damn, bro.
yo.
Why my
Oh, Peak music is crazy.
Are you ready? Ooh, I know you see me standing here. Do I look good, my
Good,
dear?
my dear.
Do I look
Do I look
good
good today?
today? I'm just
I was just
another
in there.
Kind of girl
Girl.
who want to see my world. So come and run away. Yeah, yeah. If you wanna play, gonna play today. Let's get away. Yeah, be all the things that you can be. Damn,
That's that shit, boy.
man, you got it. You just like. Oh my gosh, hold on. You know those ones where it's like you just had to be there type of
Had
playlist.
to be there,
What? You
yeah.
just had to. You just had to be there. You just
Yeah.
had. If you wasn't there, you just had to be there, bro. What's a good song? Mm-mm-mm. Oh, I've never heard "Russian Cream" by Key Glock.
You ain't ever heard this?
Nah.
Nah, this some shit right here. Turn this shit up. Mm.
I got big rocks jumping at my brand new Patek watch. Ice, ice, baby. I got a whole lot. Nigga, use a nobody. You ain't got nobody. See niggas, they know about it. These niggas know about me. Step up on the scene, diamonds blend these whole screen. Check a boy Louis V. I'm so fresh
Damn.
and so
Damn.
clean. Stuff them
Damn.
bands in my jeans. Slap them 30s in them things. Pull the trigger, let it sing. Then go smoke a Russian cream. I got money blue and green. Drop them racks on double G's. Yeah, I'm a Gucci fiend. Feel like Tarzan all these trees. I get so high I can't breathe. Like LeBron, bitch, I'm a king. But I never leave my heat. Yeah, what the fuck you mean? Hopping in here, the exhaust. Hit the gate, why me get lost? Tell that bitch keep on the draws. Yeah, cause you know I want them draws. Yeah, no, you can't text or can't call. No, I got a bitch at the house. Yeah, get a hoe straight to my dog. Yeah, dunk a hoe like basketball. You know I'm all about my figures. Young nigga get in them digits. Young niggas going gorilla. I heard you be talking that pillar. Boy, you know you not no killer. My chopper eat niggas for dinner. My diamonds, it make it shiver. This codeine is eating my liver. Duh, I drink mud. Yeah, pouring just because. On my rose, I spent the dub. Yeah, shining like a bug. Buy this shit, don't give a fuck. Yeah, this hustling in my blood. My heart cocaine show no
Hold on.
love. Yeah, my grandma raised a thug. Yeah, I bought them racks.
Kilimanjaro. Hold on. I feel like some of these songs. Oh my gosh.
Tap this.
I feel like just had to beat it. Like those. That's why I'm like, when you listen to that, just had to be there playlist, bro. You just, man,
Nah, you really have to be there, bro. Like that's life was lit at that time, bro.
life was
Life was
burner.
hitting, bro.
China.
Like China, god damn, nigga.
Play fine China. I'm a minder. Wait.
That shit is tough.
Okay, wait. Pause though. Did you ever listen to Lil Skies when he came out, bro?
I did a little bit, but it wasn't like crazy though. Like I listened to like his top
What?
songs, but I wasn't listening to him OD though.
That's fair. I'm about to say he came out with one song.
Hmm.
I knew that shit word for word, bar for bar. I was sticking. Damn. Where's the rebalance? What?
Oh, a tap right here. All right, bet. So I would like I'm doing like a fake entry. Like I entered off of my damn. I would have been wrong like a bitch, I guess. Actually not. Oh, I'd have been tough.
I'm about to
I had
say.
like I had like a trend line going down and it went past my trend line, so I waited for it to come back down to the trend line. And the
hmm
trend line was at 829.
I think what got me. Okay, so one thing I just peeped, right? So Price was supposed to. Price, I wanted the way I wanted Price to go, I wanted like Price wasn't inversing this 1 minute. So if I would have,
Uh-huh.
I feel like if I would have seen that from before, that would have been like the perfect opportunity to like enter in for shorts because if we didn't enter it off of like first 2 3 candles, bro, that third one,
Mm.
I should just entered in no matter where it was at. But right now, like on the 5 minute, we're rebalancing. So if we're like for me, I feel like if we're rebalancing on a higher time frame, I want to see us. I would love to see us like at least rebalance to that 7 9. And then that would be my last trade because we have an inversion of a 5 minute. We have an inversion of a 5 minute. Come on. We have an inversion of a 5 minute, which gives us a pullback. Come on, bro. I'm about to say.
I get on steroids. Oh,
Kamikaze
them
by Lil Mosey. Man, he should never release that shit.
hello Mosey.
But Lil Mosey. I totally forgot about 24K Golden. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, nah, that's the shit too.
I'm about to say I just clicked it thinking like I wanted to listen to it. And I'm like, sheesh.
Nigga, when Uzi dropped in the middle of school,
Oh my
my yo,
gosh.
you couldn't tell me shit. Yo,
I'm listening
I
to
was
it.
in class. I was in class not listening to none of my teachers, bro.
What song was that? That was his
It was
album of
I think P2 was on that album. Yeah, it was that album. The album was called it was called Eternal Take. That was Eternal Take. Yeah, that one. Wait, was it that one? Yeah. It was the one that got Homecoming on it. Yeah, Eternal Take right there. Bruh, that fucking album had me lit. I turned to an addict on me.
I was in 10th grade.
Uh-huh.
Waiting for war. What?
Ford.
Gotta get ready for war.
Ford.
Gotta get ready for war.
I
What?
think I was in. Nah, I was in.
Yeah.
Nah, I was in 10th grade too. Chopper all big. Nigga Mickey. That's the bitch. Trying to get to what? I remember being in Spanish class. I was in Spanish class when this shit came out. Teacher was like, "Why you guys all have your headphones on?" We was in there. That's on my brain, yo. Niggas so hype. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Whole lot of red rubies on my neck. Uzi, it came with a tick. The brick, it came with a vid. I can teach you how to flex. The Draco, it came with a vis. The condo, it came with a pit. My new bitch, she came with some dick. Man, these boy ain't believe me until I pulled up and my neck was on switch. Man, these boy ain't believe me. They thought I believe in the devil like witch. Man, these boy ain't believe me. A real rock star from part of my being. I swear these boy cannot see me. That's why I be living my life like I'm Stevie. Wake up beside you, my bitch. I got on that tissue, I use that to chin. I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes one. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come baddest. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a Brabus, that's why I been riding G-Wagon. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah. I ain't fuck a bitch so long, I do it in a Honda. I had to count my money on the honor roll. I just took that bitch shopping, fuck behind the soul. I had to get all my niggas off bond. I had to get them off holding. I had to take 12 right on the mile. Drive it like my van was stolen.
Oh my. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I just know they be watching it. Yeah,
We just hit the 1 hour mark on stream.
all these hoes love me. I am such a slimy guy. Nigga, do not trust me.
Yo, I really had to sit here and think about it.
Way before you
Like-
bust me. You shouldn't have trust me.
Cause now it really got me thinking like, yo, Kai Cenat will stream for like days, right?
Yo.
So
Bro.
I just wanna go across I just wanna put it out there that I think it's nuts. Like I feel like it's absolutely nuts because like you know how I just said we hit an hour. Yo, Kai probably has like 120 hours sitting right there at the bottom of the
Yeah,
screen.
bro.
Like, boy, hell no.
Oh, there's people like he's done 24-hour streams. Like imagine being on a stream all day, my nigga, all day and all night. That's crazy, bro. Like you gotta go to sleep and they still on stream. And the thing is, they watching you sleep too. Like they in the stream watching you.
Yeah, you lost me. You gotta be
Yeah,
out your
bro.
damn mind. You think I'm gonna allow some strangers to sit there and be like, "Oh, he's
You just
sleeping.
watch you sleep, man.
Oh, he's sleeping." That's why I say, like, bro, there's like it's a different level of like, man.
Dedication. Different level of dedication to that shit,
I'm
bro.
about to say, if you think I'm gonna have some random kid who's probably like sitting there like, I dedicated my life to watch the stream, front to
Mhm.
back to front, boy, you better get the fuck on my face. Oh,
Uh,
Eternal Take Two. Uzi is the what? Yo, so let me put you on game, right? Who do you think the number one artist in the world is right now?
Probably Drake
In the world?
in the world.
I'm about to tell
Nah,
you.
or no, world probably Bad Bunny.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm about to wow. Wow. Um, wow. Nah. That's not even Bad Bunny, bro. We don't even who the fuck is that? And Bad Bunny is 11th, nigga. He has no
Damn.
perp. He's not even in the top 10. But hold on, let
Niggas
me
Rod Wave.
I
Niggas
think
Rod
I
Wave.
bro, Rod Wave not even ranked.
He will be eventually.
Man,
Imagine Rod Wave number
if
one.
he don't got even he only got 6 mil, bro. Rod Wave don't even
Rod
got a
Wave,
badge.
Rod Wave, the best nigga
I'm not
ever.
gonna lie, Rod Wave better go take Bugovi. No bullshit.
Nigga better be the best. Who is number one then?
No other than my boy, Bruno. No,
Mm,
Mars, son. My
that
boy
makes
Bruno.
sense.
My boy Bruno got 115 million. Cuz stop
That makes
playing.
sense. That
Stop
makes sense.
playing. What?
That makes sense.
What?
All the old heads love that nigga too. So
Hold on. Okay. So to my knowledge, it has been Taylor Swift, Bruno Mars, and The Weeknd. The Weeknd. Oh my god. I'm sick of this nigga. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of The Weeknd. I'm sick of him. Take this nigga down now. This nigga should even be sitting anywhere in the top two. The fact, bro.
no, I'm hyped. Right, my fantasy team. I'm beating this one nigga that's number two in the league
Oh my
right
gosh.
now.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I might get taken out.
Oh, I was correct. Oh, now I would move. Stop. I would move my profit up right here, just in case it came back down. So that's a win. E. All right. It's probably gonna stop at this point right here because it struggled off of all these shits right here.
Mm.
So yeah, I would move my stop loss up here. Great mental trade, E. Great mental trade.
Damn. All right. So now I am
And then it
done.
hit TP. I think. Nah, it greased. It didn't even touch that shit yet. Oh, there you go.
What? What's going on here? Is your stop loss? Is my stop loss your entry? Like what's going on?
Yeah, no, I entered on the trend line. So I entered at 25831.
Uh,
Like I didn't take the trade, dude. I just
but
took like a
that's
mental trade.
fire. That's fire. You put God makes it possible. I fuck with that.
Hmm.
You could take your name off if you want.
Yeah, I know. I just put that right one thing in there. All these hoes love me. I am such a slimy guy. Nigga, do not trust me. Yo, this nigga Uzi fucking hilarious.
Bro, I am pissed. How much am I
I
down
took
on the day?
I dropped
Only
out a little bit.
216. But you see how when you only going for like now I can see why Corbin only does um like 20 ticks, 10 points. Like 10 point
Mhm.
stop, 5 point or 10 point stop, it's not even that bad. Because if he
Yeah,
goes like tomorrow, I can go in for like one contract, 40 ticks, and like if it's an A plus setup, I'll make back whatever I lost. I'll either okay, so now I'm at my last trade I was down how much? So how much was this trade before though? Like, that's what I want to know. Because it says I'm down 216 and I'm only at 49,78783. And I mean, honestly, that is on me, but sheesh, brother. I was so confident on like that 10 a.m. But it's like these wicks, bro. These wicks were low resting. Okay, so here's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see the low resting liquidity, which were these wicks, get taken out.
Mhm.
So that's why when we had the 10 a.m. drop and then the rebalance, I was like, perfect. Like once we hit that 7-9, we're gonna just drop instantly. We already
Yeah.
sucked out London highs. We're already in versus 5 minutes. So like even when I had drawn the fib, okay, hold on. So if I drop my fib up to this high right here, still it doesn't even matter. Because if I would have entered in here, even if I would have entered in that exact moment right here, I would have still got taken out.
Mhm.
So it's like it doesn't really matter. But that's why even sometimes like if I go in for 100, I would still be in. Like, okay, if I go in for 100 ticks only and I use a 40 risk, this would be 200. But
Yeah.
like I would be in this trade still, and even at that, I don't. Oh, actually, hold on. Yeah, maybe I should have did that. Gone on the 1 minute
It
and
looked like
see.
it's about yeah.
Yeah, so I
You
think
still got it still got that gap right there, Fibonacci gap. So you see how you react off of that.
we have a market structure shift, but even I think that's where I kind of like I need to figure. That's another thing for me. I want to figure out. I might have to watch a couple more videos
Mm.
because when I'm on the 5 minute, I'm only using like the downside candles as my point of it, like to draw my fib out. But
Yeah.
I guess where I'm messing up is like not taking it from the high to the low. Cause I'm using like I here where I messed up was probably putting my fib in the wrong area. So that's
Uh,
probably where I messed up. So like even if I go in the 1 minute, okay, I go in the 1 minute and I'll only take this 10-point stop, 40 ticks. Now let's okay. Now I did it the correct way. I'm gonna see if it plays out. That's really where I'm at. And if it doesn't, then it doesn't. But ES is like looks like it wants to go down. NQ looks like it wants to go up. I feel like that's a protected high. Oh, what the fuck is going on? Like what? Is there something I'm missing? I want to see what the other Discord said.
I fucking been so long, I do it in a Honda Accord. Oh, these hoes love me. I ain't such a slimy guy. Nigga, do not trust me. Look at this. This is what it is. 5 minute investment. So
I'm
go here.
hungry, but I can't
Yeah.
eat until like 4.
Why you fasting?
Yeah.
You heard?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was saying, yeah, my bad, my bad.
Yeah, you could. Uh,
216. What's that? 216. 216. 52. Now I'm gonna have to do the math, which I hate. I hate doing the math. But this is what I'm saying, Eli. Like shit, like this is where like proper risk management is getting into play, and
mhm.
I like it because it's teaching me like all of this is teaching me like it won't come easy. Like every day is not gonna be green, and I'm fine with that. Like I've now I'm fine with that. Like before, oh my gosh, all hell would break loose. I'd be so pissed. If I tell you the way oh my god, bro, I would be so quick to want to punch somebody in their face. Like, bro, why did I just lose my trade?
Yeah, that's my biggest thing. Like it's like mentally getting mentally stronger is the biggest factor for me in with day trading, bro. I gotta like continue to get mentally strong But I thought like from like playing sports and shit like that, I thought I was mentally strong from that. But this shit is a different level, bro.
Huh?
This shit
No
is a fuck
bullshit.
different level, bro. So, oh no, I should have by. Session, New York. My risk was, I think I had like a 200 risk. Percent wise though.
Shit.
Um, how I changed to show my percent. 25%. Does that sound right?
What do you mean for what? What point?
Um, like for my like when I'm logging in the stuff, my trade stuff, like I don't have percent on my actual position, like my long position.
So
It
when
just
you
shows
look
me like,
at, so when you put out your template for
oh, I
the
see
long,
it.
the long and short position, you're supposed to just look like you could look at the red bracket where it says like stop loss, where it says your stop and it says 5 point, and then in parentheses it says like the percentage of how much you're risking. So that's yeah. So like if you only risk like for me, I did 20 ticks. I don't guess this shit thinks I'm going in for one lot size. Account size. That's 50K.
Oh no, it's asking for the two, two.
19803. Two lot.
God damn.
Oh,
Yo, should I be mad as hell?
perfect. So I'm gonna say 105 because we have the risk fee, the like commissions and shit. So I'm gonna use that for profit ticks. We're gonna use. I'm gonna save that as 100. Wait, hold on. Percentage. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Can this at least like work with me here? Like, am I
Oh,
doing
that's tough.
something wrong? Hold on. All right, U.S.
It gives
dollars
you a
100. Say
psychology.
no more. So I'm not tripping. Save as 200. Yes. All right. Now we're gonna go here. Save 300. 300. Only risking $100.
All right.
Three.
Do you have to hit save or anything, or it just saves by
For
itself?
your entries?
Yeah, for like where it says trades
Nah.
or where it says trade. Yeah,
No. You just it's all just simple as
it's
hell.
just oh yeah, it just all saved.
Mhm.
No, I did not eat my. No, it's not fine. All right.
Okay. So now let's do this shit again.
Oh shit! I didn't mean to put that. Now I gotta delete the bit.
Okay. So my risk was that much. I'm about to say, yo, this shit is, yo. I'm telling you, when I tell you this risk thing is like blowing it's
Hmm.
pissing me off.
So you know it's working though when it's pissing you off.
I'm like, bro, I'm trying to get the right number. Stop pissing me off. It says, yo. It says I'm trying to catch a. It says with the right, like when I put the right amount of risk in, it says I'm trying to catch a 10 RR. Oh my gosh. Net P&L. Okay, so I'm at 216.52. My previous trade was how much?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I sent it right to the bone. Uh, these niggas watching. I swear they didn't blame me my clones. Like, uh, switching my flows like my flows.
You said
Switching
what
my
gunner?
flows like my
All right.
flows. And flipping the gunner reload. Ooh, ooh. Now she wanna fuck with my crew.
You lied. You know that shit too damn
Ooh,
much.
nigga. Nigga, bro, I came out to that shit in a basketball game. No question. Yeah, 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 yeah. I should go start to the bone. Give a fuck by the bitch. Beans what it is. It's a 5 star bitch. She'll be go freak. It's so much that I hate. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she getting lit. Yeah.
Wow, you need help. You need
Getting lit.
help.
Yeah. That shit's be hard, bro. That songs be tough.
21652. All right, perfect. And the one thing you want, the one thing I definitely say you want to start trying to get into, bro, is like getting the right amount, um,
The what?
like for the where it says sum, you want to try and get that number to match what your account P&L is for the day, or what your account looks like now versus like what it'll be when you put it in, because
That trade or trade log?
for your trade
Which is
log, because
some.
like look, I'm not gonna even lie, I have all these accounts which I wish I could delete, but I can't
Mhm.
because all of these accounts are connected to a trade. So
Yeah. Oh, you do. You got the what's it called? The trade copier.
no,
Oh.
this is just all the trade accounts that I have inputted into my database. So like for
Mm.
instance, my win rate right now is 0, which sucks, which really does
Mm.
suck. So like you see how my account says 4978348, and then same thing it
Yeah.
says right here. So my goal is to make sure that these two numbers, the current balance in my database, matches what it says here. So like that's why I'm trying to stay. That's the only thing for me that like lets me know like, yo, you gotta stay disciplined. You gotta stay
Yeah.
disciplined. You gotta put that in every time.
How'd you connect that to your trading view though?
I didn't. I just make sure that the
Oh,
trades,
it
the
just
tra-
show. Oh, okay.
yeah, I'm just making sure that every time I input a trade, like let's say for instance, it's like calculating your money for a business.
Mhm.
If you calculate your money in your log, and then you look at your regular business log and you look at the one that you put in personally and they don't align, that means some money is missing. So that's why I'm like,
Uh,
even with how it says total P&L, I know that's not the actual amount that I lost because I only
mm.
risked $200. I only risked $100, meaning I only lost
Yeah.
$200 on a day. Meaning, but they took $16.52 because of the fees and commission fees. So like, I'm guessing each to take each trade would cost like $5, and
Mm.
then commission fees will be like three and some change, like 320, maybe like 325, 321, depending on what it is. So that's what brings it up to 216. But I only learned that because I was pissed when I lost my account, and I was like, I had lost an account, and I was like,
Yeah.
damn, like I wish I could make my account back. And I was like, wait, I have micros, and I went to micros, and like I took one micro, and I could have taken one micro trade that would have got me back to 300, and then I could have saved that account from going from max drawdown. And I was like, okay, like if I could have stayed in that trade and I would have made $300, I would have been so green. And then like I would have waited for the next trading day, and I would have risked 200, make the bread back. And like I would have to record that so bad that like, bro, to me it would just be like I'd have no choice but to make a video and be like, yo, bro, like I literally brought my shit down from like $10, and like I had $10 left to work with, meaning I could only go in a drawdown in the micros like probably like 1 to 2 ticks max.
Lock it
Narrative still
down. Oh.
bullish, bias bearish.
Oh, I'm over here trying to figure out how to do that shit. I'm over. It's a slide bar in the bottom. My dumb ass. My dumb ass. I'm
Hey
over here.
yo,
I'm in here like, how the fuck this nigga sliding, yo? I was tight as hell over here for a little bit.
I don't want to say I was
All right, I'm gonna
regret
try this.
trading,
Let me stop
but
this.
I definitely did ignore the way that market was moving. So not following market trends.
That's
Mm,
lit. That girl, so I'm saying, that's getting lit.
Cause my like that's another thing like I'm learning, like I would have gotten out that trade the first moment I seen the one and then draw down, but I'm like that's not what you do. Like I'm a
Yeah.
trade, I'm a market out. Price is supposed to either go my way or not go my way. Like
Mm-hmm.
Rain said he's been sick, so I'm not gonna sit
Yeah.
here and like wanna call his phone like yo 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 yo, what's going
Mm-hmm.
on? What's going on? Like nah, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, I'll put this. I'll put this.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like when I typing in my trades, it shouldn't. I don't want to try and put it on stream because it doesn't really matter. That part don't matter. She said, "Red lab, give up about a
If you hear the song I'm listening to right now, you be saying, "Hey yo, I'm listening to that sexy red right now."
yeah, hey yo." I can't, yo. He said, "Give it up for sexy red." Ah, make some noise, y'all. What the fuck?
Yo, that shit be funny as
Hey yo, cause that took me there. I was like, damn, like,
if I mention no, what the fuck?
like, like, damn, sexy. They don't fuck with you.
I like how it's starting to get cold because nigga, I'm a nigga. I love wearing sweatpants and hoodies.
What? I don't care what no nigga say, bro. My girl got these one comfortable ass sweatpants, bro. Ooh boy, ooh boy. I tell you, yo, this is the thing. They make women clothes way more
Bro,
comfortable.
I'm comfortable, bro.
I'm
My
like, I'll
girl,
be
I took one of my girl hoodies. I was in that shit comfortable as hell, nigga. I was cozy and shit. My shit be hella ass.
like, for example, like if you had like the essential shit, right?
Yeah, nigga, it was the essential hoodie.
Bro, she had an essential sweatpants, and I'm like, nah, I'm
Mm-hmm.
not playing with you, bro. I need to, like, I need to wear this at least once. So she told me,
Uh-huh.
cause you know how girlfriends get, they can wear your clothes, but you can't wear theirs. Like you
Nigga,
even,
yeah.
you even got one piece of their clothes on. This, why are you even wearing my shit? It's like, damn,
Uh-huh.
sorry, didn't know it was that big of a deal.
But you got my hoodie on right now though.
I bet your bottom dollar. I'm looking at it for the
Hell,
15 minute,
SRTs.
man. I feel like when price already does this thing, and you look at it from a higher time frame, it's like shit. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Okay, I paid for it already, so I ain't tripping.
So I'm
I
trying
should.
to
I'm not gonna
find
lie. I'm gonna start paying for TradingView annually. Hell no. I'm not
you
doing no more
said
monthly payments.
maybe three screens, like three extra things.
Me?
Yeah, because
I
I have
have.
like the monthly thing.
I have two. I only have two. I have this big monitor right in front of me, and then I got a
Yeah.
vertical monitor to the right. Yo, it's hot as balls. But
So late. Wow.
I got like one big screen, like, and
Only no issue.
I don't know. I've never I don't think I say it enough, but I am so thankful for my girlfriend, bro. She got me the screen that I liked. She got me the PC that I needed. She got me what else? This headset I'm wearing right now, she got for me. I'm like, bro, I couldn't ask
So,
I couldn't ask for anybody more helpful, more thankful for going in to be with me, man. I'm telling you, my girlfriend, she does a lot. She does a lot for me.
that's what it's supposed to be about, bro. For real.
Singing real love.
Mm.
Oh, it's
Oh, all
something
right. I gotta go to the
called
gym. All right.
real love. Don't trip,
All
bro.
right.
I'm
I'll
about
catch
to
you.
end my stream. All right, yo.
Stay up.
All right. So I'm in here by myself now. Let me dip off out of that. Close that out. Put this on top. All right. So what I learned, I need to get the right spot for where I place my fib. That's where I need to work on. And then I need to make sure that I'm not always trying to take a trade. Like I feel like if I took the one and done trade and I lost, I should have just got off. But I mean, I'm only down 216, which is okay. I'm only going to continue using one contract. I'd rather make I'd rather make the money back slowly and consistently versus sporadically and not even take the trade, like not make it make sense. Because If I like, for instance, last week everybody was full porting CPI, and I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. I don't know. I don't know why. I just couldn't do it. Like even, but it is what it is. So I can't really bitch about it. It does kind of hurt though. It's like, damn. Hold on. Damn. Market. Okay, hold on. Tell me if I'm crazy, right? So I don't want to know. I don't want to suspect I'm doing this wrong. So price came up, right? Swept out these highs, and I wanted to go. I wanted to see lower prices, but what I should have seen was we swept out highs, also swept out internal lows. So if we swept out internal lows, I should have just looked for a rebalance, right? Okay. So now if I look for the rebalance, price is coming down. Say I would have entered off of, oh my gosh. Say I would have entered right there and then only taking it. What the hell? Oh, okay. So let me do this. I'm gonna fix this real quick. Don't trip. Oh no, that one's 40. Let me log in real quick, man. Okay, that was the next one I was doing. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking, right? And I'm not trying. I'm just trying to reflect off of past data and see if I was doing something wrong. So price was choppy. Then we broke out. Okay, so we broke out. I'm guessing market structure shift to the upside, right? Okay. We broke structure to the upside, came down, and rebalanced. What I think I should have been looking for, because look, we did this, and then we were doing all that. I was married to a bias. Now that I'm thinking about it, I was married to a bias, and that's why I'm thinking I messed up. So I'll definitely say, if I can add that as an error, I'll definitely say married to a bias. But here's what I'm thinking, right? Okay, so I wanted to see price rebalance and come lower versus the fact that I should have seen we are in a 15-minute fair value gap. We weren't inversing. We swept out internal lows. We didn't sweep out any lows here. There was no lows getting swept here. And price created this big up move, and I should have waited for. I should have gotten on the rebalance. It would have entered me in, and then I would have taken it for 200 ticks, making. Okay, let's say I would have taken that one contract still. It would have been $1,000. But I wasn't. I'm not gonna go in and say, "Oh, I would go in for two or three," because realistically, I wouldn't. I wouldn't have gone in. I would have never gone in for that much. So 100 gone in. I feel like we're at like Because when you look at it on the 5 minute, yeah, okay. Looked at it on the 5 minute. Big up move. If I looked at, okay, I'm not seeing like we were barcode here, came back to rebalance 7-9, and it happened on the 1 minute. We tapped into it once, came down, kept going. Okay, so now I know. Now I know. Moving forward, I feel like I want to try and see if there's a way I can reflect off of this stuff. By reflecting, I mean like, because even if I would have taken it to like right there, oh my goodness. Let's say entered in right there, one contract. I would have been up one. Like these aren't crazy. Like this isn't crazy. It also is just like a learning experience for me because I should have just entered in like that. Like seen it, big up move, re-enter 7-9. Because I'm always wanting to enter in off that 7-9. That 7-9 is like my sweet spot. But I was looking at it, we inverse to the upside, and I should have just waited. Like so now that's where moving forward, I want to say like moving forward when I see that price creates a continuation because high, low, higher, high. Oh wait, high, low, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. And you see we're just continuing into this trend. And then when we had a lower low, created a higher high, higher low, higher high. Now it's okay. Now the trend. I feel like that's where I messed up though because we swept out these lows. And look on the 5 minute. This is what I'm saying. Like look on the 5 minute. This is obvious. So 5 minute market structure shifts, and we sweep out even. Oh shit. We sweep out these highs sitting right here. Swept those out. Hold on. Gotta get the dash line. So we swept out those highs. Swept out these lows. Swept out these highs, and then we did a rebalance, and then we would have went higher. Okay, so moving forward, I think I might just try and trade by myself for the rest of the week. I don't. I'm not. It was nobody's fault but mine. But I feel like when I sit back and I realize certain things too late, that's on me because we opened up at 10, and when I'm thinking about it, we opened 10, came higher, and after we came higher, we started rebalancing price. It was like, let me see, we opened up here, rebalancing wouldn't make no sense to that point, so we swept out the high. We swept out the high during 10 a.m. and rebalanced to create higher prices. That's what I was thinking, and I think I realized it too late. So I also wanna take a picture of this to show for future references, so I can like oh shoot hold on I should add a text. But anyways, I'm gonna hop back on tomorrow, see what trades I could take. This was a good setup to the upside, and I should have been looking for that because we had a 15-minute fair value gap that was holding strong, one tap, two tap. I should never expected it to inverse if we already were pulling back strong off of market open. So that's on me. But we'll do it again tomorrow and follow our rules. I only took two trades today. I'm only down 216.52, which is good. And the account's sitting at 49.7. So solid start. Not a good start, but solid start. Because I could have been down like 500 to way more. Thankfully, I'm not.